Are you looking for the best tire repair kit? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tire repair kit that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. If you are a perfectionist at heart and like to ensure that a job is done properly, then this is the kit for you. With 56 pieces packed neatly into a durable red case, you'll find everything that you need and more to fix most flat tire issues. In fact, what we really like about this kit is that it not only gives you the high-quality tools you need to fix a puncture temporarily, but depending on the extent of the damage, it can also help you to plug up a hole completely so that you can actually use the tire for some time after it has been repaired. This Boulder set comes equipped with full and illustrated instructions that help users to easily use the tools whilst applying the best methods of repair. Built to last, this premium flat tire repair kit will loyally repair any tubeless tires. From cars and motorbikes to tractors and cordless lawn mowers, this nifty handyman's kit will have your back. While it does sit at the high end of the price range, you'll be getting excellent value for money with this purchase. Up next in the 4th place is the Tooluxe 50000 2L Universal Tire Repair Kit. The Tooluxe 50000 2L runs with a less is more approach. While there are only a few tools, they are the only ones that you really need to fix up your tire. This means you can get straight to the point and repair the puncture. There's just no beating around the bush. You'll also find that each item has been designed to be comfortable and easy to use, which is always a bonus when you're correcting a bothersome situation. In the supportive molded case, you will find string plugs, a rasp tool, an insert tool, 2 hex keys, and 1 tub of sealing lubricant. Focusing on tubeless tires, this kit has been carefully pieced together to fix repairs on most vehicles without any problem at all. One of the standout features is definitely the kit's incredible durability. The tools have been made from hardened steel and have also been sand-blasted for a perfect finish. The Tooluxe is excellent value for money and is guaranteed to last. For more quality tools to have in your car, check out our guide to the best timing lights and pick your favorite. The 3rd product on our list is the AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit. AUTOWN has nabbed the next spot on our list with their fully stocked professional quality tire repair kit. Inside the hardy molded case, you will find 75 pieces of equipment that will help you repair the toughest tires on the market. While some of the tools may never be used, the manufacturer certainly did overcompensate. Having access to a diverse range of hardware is never a problem, especially when the entire kit is reasonably priced. This puncture repair kit is useful for a number of different vehicle tires. From your average cars to large trucks, you can be quite sure that it can handle it all. This is because the tools are of a decent size, are made from quality steel, and are ergonomically designed to get through really thick tires. And despite the vast selection of tools, the AUTOWN kit remains portable and compact in size. So, carrying it around in your vehicle will be no problem at all. For more must-have products to have in your car, especially if you live in colder areas, check out our selection of the best de-icers. Second on our list is the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit. Keeping things simple, the BETOOLL Flat Tire Repair Kit limits itself to 22 pieces. Don't be fooled by its modesty though. They do say dynamite comes in small packages, and with this portable and durable kit at your disposal, sealing a puncture will be hassle-free and effective. The tools come conveniently packed in a fabric zip case that's just as durable as a harder plastic case. In fact, the fabric construction makes the kit more flexible so that it can fit into smaller and easier to access compartments. Weighing less than 2 pounds, you could even carry it in a backpack or handbag. Reading online reviews, many agree that the plugs are easy to insert, which is the most important function of any tire repair kit. Apart from 15 self-vulcanization repair plugs, The kit also contains a T-handle spiral probe tool, a T-handle insert tool, a valve stem tool, a hex key, 2 valve stems, and a tub of lubricant. This is all you need to have peace of mind, knowing that a flat tire isn't going to ruin your day or a trip. Car owners might also be interested in some of the best rooftop cargo boxes, so take a moment to check them out. Finally, the top product on our list is the TECCPO Tire Repair Kit. This 94-piece heavy-duty TECCPO tire repair kit has also impressed us. In fact, this brand certainly takes its purpose seriously and complies with all top production standards. For example, the tools in this kit can repair all types of tires for up to 3 cm punctures, including punctures caused by glass and rocks. Each item is also made from good quality materials. This means that there is a good chance that you can use this kit for years to come, over and over again. And all this for an extremely fair price. There are some interesting components in this repair box that are worth mentioning too. Apart from all of the essentials, you will also find a utility knife, a pressure gauge, and extension valve caps. All of the tools fit snugly inside a durable and organized hard case that will fit discreetly into your boot. If you are the OCD type who likes even the tiniest items to sit in their own compartment, then this tire repair set will be right up your alley. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.